Hi, my name is Deepthi. Welcome to my channel, a place where you can learn at your own pace. In this video, we will learn some words we can use to talk about the weather. Let us start with vocabulary words related to rain. If you want to say it is raining heavily, instead of that you can use it is raining cats and dogs, or you may also say the rain came down in torrents. Torrent means outburst of something, so you can use it in other contexts also. For example, a torrent of questions means a lot of questions. The next word is drizzling. We use drizzling for mild rain or light rainfall. It is that kind of rainfall in which you can go out without an umbrella and return without getting much wet. So if you are asked a question about an outing, you can say, "Last June when I went out with my family for a picnic, it suddenly became cloudy and started drizzling. The weather was very pleasant." If you have to answer a question related to your favorite weather and you want to say that I like rains because I love to get wet in the rain, you can answer it by saying, "I just love rains, especially when it is raining heavily and I get drenched in the rain." If some event or trip is cancelled or postponed due to the rain, we can use the phrase to be rained off. So if you are asked a question about how weather influences our day-to-day life, you can talk about rains and say that when it rains heavily, most of my plans are rained off. Or we started preparing for our football match, but most of the practice sessions got rained off. Most of us do not like hot and humid weather. So if you are asked a question about a weather that you dislike the most, you can say, "I don't like it when it is sultry because such weather makes me feel uncomfortable. I'm sweating all the time. I am sweating profusely." When you have to describe weather that is very hot, you can use the phrase scorching heat. So if you have a question based on vacations, you can say, "In my country, usually we get vacations during summers. That time we do not like to go to beaches because it is scorching hot at the beach. So we prefer going to a hill station." You may be asked a question how weather impacts your mood. You can say, "Summer makes most people angry. Heat wave drives you crazy. It feels that everything is burning around you." Heat wave can also make you feel very sick and nauseous. Now let us look at a few words that describe the cold weather. If you have to say that the weather was very cold, you can also use the word nippy. So next time you are describing your trip to a hill station, you can say the weather was pleasant during the day, but at night it became nippy. If you are describing a vacation where you went to a place where there were snow-covered mountains, you can say it was beautiful to see a blanket of snow covering the mountains. Other way of using this phrase can be, "It started snowing at night, and when we woke up in the morning, the whole city was covered under the blanket of snow." Another word associated with winter is thick fog. So if you are asked a question about a trip being cancelled, you can say, "We were supposed to start on an early winter morning, but we had to postpone the plan because of thick fog. We started after the sun came up and the weather became clear." Sometimes when the weather is really bad, we see that along with rain, hailstones come down. Hailstones are those small pieces of ice that come down along with the rain. Such a rain is also known as hailstorm. Learning vocabulary takes time, so make sure you practice daily and get the correct pronunciation. We would also love to hear from you on Instagram and Facebook. Happy learning! Keep evolving!